The best ring lights for 2020. The best ring light overall, Wescott 183 by-color LED ring light. Why you should buy this soft, off-camera light with plenty of versatility. Who's it for? Both photographers and videographers. Best macro ring light for Canon, Canon MR14EX2 macro ring light. Why you should buy this versatile macro lighting with great results. Who's it for? Canon photographers. Best macro ring light for Nikon, Nikon R1C1 wireless close-up Speedlight system. Why you should buy this high-end, adjustable lighting for macro work. Who's it for? Nikon macro photographers. Best cheap macro ring light, Bolt VM160 LED macro ring light. Why you should buy this inexpensive macro lighting that works with any camera system. Who's it for? Photographers on a budget. Best cheap off-camera ring light, Neewer LED Ring Light 18 kit. Why you should buy this affordable off-camera ring light that includes everything you need. Who's it for? Studio photographers and videographers. Best smartphone ring light, QUIYA Selfie Ring Light. Why you should buy this inexpensive but flattering lighting for smartphone photographers. Who's it for? Casual selfie snappers.